Hello and welcome to another demo of the Vue Vanilla Suite. My name is Ala Haddad and I'm the developer of the Vue Vanilla Suite, and today we're going to demo the accordion. To follow me, you need to download the module, and that's the only thing. And originally this module actually was created in paragraph bundles, this one, and now it's as a Vue plugin. So to start, I have already I have the modules. So let's see, and let's enable the accordion. Install. I have some content in the system. 3 content type created. So let's go structure, views, add views, and by default, actually, when you enable this module, you have a demo views. Here it is, this one, and we're just gonna add a new one. So content. So when you do the accordion content, let's do articles and newest, create a page, and here it is. So you don't want teaser. Accordion always need fields. So we're just gonna do titles, and you can pick here also, and save and edit. It didn't save it. There it is. Save and edit. And now here is the accordion. So first thing of this accordion, if you click setting, it has pretty much a straightforward feature. Let's just add another field here, and we'll call body and enable value. Okay, save. So here, if you see the title, that's the first thing. You don't want it to be linked because this is where the accordion clickable, but even if you click linked, I have disabled this feature. So let's go visit the page, and this is it, just by default. And you have enable all, disable all. So let's click on the setting. So this is the speed of the accordion, open and collapse, and this is the type of animation. And these, they're all explained. So this is if we uncheck everything and click apply, you see the change here. There it is. So this is the speed. Now I made it slow. Let's view it as a page. Here it is. So this is very straightforward. The new feature I added, which I thought the accordion could be done also used for something else, expandable cards. So let's increase the speed a little bit, and we don't want this, we don't want this, and if I do here, let's do 300, 330, and click. I want to see what's happening. I want to show you what's happening here. So this one, so by default, this is all what we know accordion. That's what it is. But the feature I'm adding here is that if you want to do them as a cards, and so let's do 12. And if we refresh, there it is. So that's the other way I thought of it. If it's you wanted to do accordion with cards. But another useful way, if you want to add uh, image, and also let's do it 200 and reorder. So this is what I'm talking about, something like this, and you can expand the picture to see what's happening with the image. This is very straightforward, and the pagination also works with this kind of work. So that's another way of manipulating the content on your site and see it. I hope you like the demo. See you in the next module.